Hi everyone, today we are going to be making a vanilla cake in a mug, and this recipe comes from justsotasty.com. When making this recipe, please ask for parent supervision or permission because you will be needing to use the microwave. So for our ingredients, we need all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, milk. Today I'm going to use almond milk. You can use regular milk or oat milk or any kind of milk that you have. Vanilla, an egg yolk, and salt. For our measuring ingredients, we need a little whisk, a tablespoon and a teaspoon measurement, and a mug. So for our first ingredient, we are gonna take 4 tablespoons of flour, and we're just going to add everything right into the mug. And before I forget, the mug should be at least 12 ounces. It could be larger than that, but at least 12 ounces. So 4 tablespoons of flour. Then we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of white sugar. Two tablespoons of milk. Then we're gonna just take the egg yolk. So I'm gonna crack the egg and separate the yolk from the white. You can save the white for another recipe. Just add the yolk. Then we need half a teaspoon of baking powder. And half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And a pinch of salt. And once all the ingredients are in the mug, we're just gonna whisk it. And it should form like a pancake-like consistency. So once it is all mixed together, we're gonna cook this right in the microwave. And this needs to cook on medium for 60 to 90 seconds. So this cake has been in the microwave for 60 seconds. When it beeps, you will need to use a pot holder because the handle of the mug is going to be hot. So when taking this out of the microwave, it should look like this. The cake should be risen. Let this cool for at least 5 minutes and then you can enjoy.